I'll show you how to set a video's audio as the ringtone on Android. Let's jump in. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, navigate to that video. Let's say this is what I want to use.
Pick up your phone.
This little video of myself. But the very first thing I need to do after I have that video is to extract the audio first. To do that, you can either download a third-party app, or on Google, you can just type in extract audio. There are online services that will do this. This first one works perfectly. You can just hit choose file and photos and videos. In this case, I'm going to choose that video right there, and it will go through the process of extracting the audio. There it is. Just tap on extract audio. Now it will go through the process of downloading that onto your Android phone. You can hit download, and there it is on your phone. After it's downloaded, now we have the audio from that video. We need to set it as your ringtone. To be able to do that, we need to get to your settings. And within this settings, you'll be able to change your ringtones directly in here. If you don't see the ringtone option, you can always just search for it within your settings. However, these are all of just the default ringtones that are come pre-installed on your Android phone. Instead of those, let's tap the plus at the top right here, and you need to know what that basically audio was named. In my case, it was this one.
Pick up your phone.
And there you can hit done. And just like that, I have added that extracted audio as the ringtone on my Android phone.